Here's a motor that came in. They said running great last year. Not so good today, so we're doing a quick diagnosis on it. Compression check, spark check, seeing what we got. And one of the things is a fuel sample. So there's the fuel we got out of the tank. Right there. And so you could tell it's got not great. Let me get over here and see. I don't know if you can see that or not. But that's just some of the stuff in the tank. This is what we drained out of the fuel line. And this is an oil injected 2-stroke engine. And so that's what we got out of the line. And that's what we got out of the tank. So that's a little strange that there'd be, that doesn't have much oil in right there. In the tank, it's got a lot of oil. So we're going to find out about that shortly, but with that much stuff that we just got out of the sample we took out of the tank, that whole engine is going to be full of stuff.